Hello pupils. Today we will start a new topic called word processing. From word processing, we already understand that we will be using the software Microsoft Word. Here is an icon which represent the program Microsoft Word. When you see that icon, you must know that this is the program for Microsoft Word. And what we will cover today is how do we open the program, how to format text that we have typed, like applying font, font color, and font size. And after working the formatting, we will save our document. Now let's see how to open the program Microsoft Word. The method of opening the program will be different based on the operating system you have on your computer. For example, the operating system on your computer may be Windows 7 or Windows 8 or maybe Windows 10. So we will discuss the method for the free types and you see how you will adjust on your computer, that is what operating system you have and your computer and what are the steps you need to follow. First, let's see for Windows 7. First, you click on Start button. This small circle is the Start button. When you click on Start button, you obtain this menu. This menu is called the Start menu. Second step, you click on All programs here, and after that you will obtain this screen. Along the Start menu, you will search for Microsoft Office. And what are the program of Microsoft Office you have? You have these 4. And for now, what do we need? We need Microsoft Word. Therefore, we must click on this for Word. And after clicking on Microsoft Word, you will obtain your program Microsoft Word open. Next, let's see for Windows 10. Now, the first step, it is the same. You click on Start button. And when you click on Start button, you will obtain your Start menu, this black portion. And what must you do? You must search for the program Word. Word starts with double U. So this is letter E. To reach W, we must move down. You scroll down until you reach double U, where you will be able to see word, and then you click on the program here, Word 2016. After you click on it, you will obtain your program open. And what do we need? Do we need a special template? No. So we can open the blank document. We click here near blank document. You click on it, and then you will obtain your blank page where you can type your text. If you have the operating system for Windows 8, the steps are as follows. You click on Start button. You move to the right until you see the program Word 2013 or whatever Word program you have. You click on it and your program will open. Now that you have opened your program, Microsoft Word, you can type these sentences. Let's read the sentences first. Hello, hello, we are back at school. Hello, hello, we are with our friends. Hello, hello, we greet our teacher. This is the class of grade 3. Hello to everybody. Let's type these sentences together in our program Microsoft Word. Let's move to the next part of our lesson of today. We have opened the program Microsoft Word. We have typed sentences. Now let's see how we can format the text or the word that we have typed. First, we will see font size. What do we mean by font size? Font size is the size of the word, the size that it appears on the document. This is the meaning of font size. So how can we change the size of the text? The first step is to select the word. Then, near the drop-down of font size, we click on the drop-down and we choose a value from the list. Let's work a small example. For example, let's change the font size of the word grade free to 14. The first step is to select the word grade free. So, first you take your mouse and you place it before the word grade free. Then you continue to press your left button of your mouse. You press it. You continue to hold. You hold your mouse and at the same time you move it in the direction of the word until you select the word grade free completely. After selecting, you can remove your hand on the left button. Now, where's the drop down for font size? It is this. You click on it and is there font size 14? Yes. So we click on it. Can you observe that the size of grade free has increased? Let's move to the next question. Change the font size of the word greet to 23. Let's do it. The word greet. We must change its size to 23. So we select it first. Then we must choose the font size. Is there 23 in the list? No. So when the font size is not available in the list, you click inside here in the text box, you erase this value and you type 23. After typing, you can press enter directly, or you can also click outside so that it takes the size of 23. Now, next question. Change the font size of the word everybody to 32. Everybody to 32. Let's select it. We go to font size. Is there 32? No. So we enter here, we type 32 and click outside. Now the font size of everybody is 32. Another example. Change the font size of the word this to 48. The word this, we select it, and is there 48? Yes, so we don't need to type, we just click on the value 48. This is how we change the font size of a word. You select the word first and then you choose the font size you need. If the font size is not available, for example, we don't have font size 15, we click inside the box and we type 15. For the value of font size 15 to be considered, we must click outside on the white page. The next formatting that we can apply to the word we have typed is its font color. What do I mean by font color? I mean the color of the word, of the text I have typed. Its color, I can change it. So, what are the steps to do it? First, we select the word, then we go to this symbol A, we have an A and we have its color at the bottom. If we need another color, this is blue. If we need another color, for example, red, we click on this drop down and choose the color that we want. So, let's move to some examples. Question 1. Change the font color of the word school to pink. The word school, we select it first, then we go to font color. This is for font color. We click on the arrow here, and what color do we want? Pink. Do we have pink? No. So we must choose more colors since we need pink. And we choose the pink color. And here you can observe that the color is pink. Next question. Change the font color of the word friends to blue. Friends, we select the word friends and we choose the color blue. Next question. Change the font color of the word teacher to green. We select the word teacher. There's no word teacher. Let's do it with the word friends. We select the word friends here and we will apply the color green. I think there's an error here. It should be teacher. Let's verify it. Where we greet our teacher. This is an error. This is teacher. Next question. Change the font color of the word glass to orange. We select the word glass and its font color must be orange. So, to change the font color of a word, first you select it, then you go to font color. This represents the font color. And then you choose the color that you want and you click on it. The next formatting that we can apply is font. What do we mean by font? Font means the writing style of the word. The writing style that I can apply to the text, the word, or the sentence that I have entered in my document. So, what are the steps to do it? We select the word, then we click on the drop down for font, the style that are present, and we choose the font or the style that we want to apply to the word we have typed. So let's go through a small example. Change the font of the word school to Arial Black. School, we select the word school, and here we will be able to see the font that are available. We have all different types of font and we need to choose Arial Black. So we click on it. Can you observe the change? This is the style for Arial Black and this one is Calibri. They are of different style. Let's do another example. Change the font of the word friends to Castillo. We select the word friends and we will apply the font Castillo. C-A-S. We move down. Castillo. And we click on it. Can you again observe the difference in style? This is called font. Next, change the font of the word teacher to Lucida handwriting. We select the word teacher and what font do we need to apply? Lucida. We click on it. If you can't find a font, you just need to move down and search for it. Once you find the font you want, you just click on it. Now that you have completed your work, you have typed your sentences, you have applied formatting, you need to save your work. Why? Because if you want to access it later, you want to print it, you want to send it to a friend, you must have a copy on your computer. So it's important that you save your work. The first step is to click on File tab. In some computers, it is written in Word, but in some, it is represented by this circle. This also represents file. The first step, we click on File tab. Second step, click on Save As. You click on Save As. This is the second step. The third step, you choose a place where you will save your work. For example, you can save on the desktop, you can save in the folder Documents, or in the folder Downloads, in the folder Music, in the folder Pictures, or in the folder Videos. You choose a place where you will save your work. And the last step, the fourth step. We have 5 steps. We are going to fourth step. We give our work a name. For example, if I am doing a work and I am saving it, how will I search for it later? I will search it by that specific name that I have saved. Therefore, it is important to remember with which name you have saved your work. And the last step, fifth step, you click on the button Save. Let's go through an example. This is my work. I want to save it with the file name Monday. I click on File tab, Save As. I will save it on my computer. And where can I save it? I click on Browse to see where I can save it. And for me, I will save it on the desktop. I click on the desktop because I will save it over there. And I will give my work the name Monday. Here I have given it a name and I click on Save button. Now that it has saved, can we verify it? Let's do it. I go on the desktop. And do I have my Word Monday, the Word document Monday? Yes. So my work has correctly been saved. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thanks for your attention.